Here's how to fix iMessage not sending messages in iPhone. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can fix iMessage not sending messages. So there are basically two methods on how you can fix this problem. So yeah, make sure you copy both of them to fix your problems. So the first one is just go to your settings. And once you're in settings, what you have to do is just go to the search bar and type in messages. So here I'm just going to type in messages, and I got messages in my recents too. But yeah, you just have to type in messages just like that. And you will be able to see messages right over here. Just press on message settings, and once you're here, as you can see, I got the option of iMessage. So what you have to do is just turn this off for once, and once you turn this off, just wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. So it will just do waiting for activation thingy. So you just gotta wait for a couple of minutes, and here as you can see, it just got done for me in a like seconds, because like I don't have any messages for me. So it depends on your messages. If you got like a lot of messages on you, it might take some minutes, but yeah, if you don't got any messages, it will do the process in just seconds. So once you've done this, your problem might be solved, and you will be able to see and send messages, and it will be just completely fine. So if it still doesn't fix, what you can do is just swipe down to your menu just like that, and then turn on airplane mode. So if I turn on airplane mode and wait for a few seconds, it might fix my problem. So here I'll just wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. But yeah, here as you can see, now my thing is just turned off, and my Bluetooth just got on. And yeah, it might be able to fix my problem, and I'll be able to send messages. So the problem is that I don't have any SIM. But yeah, here as you can see, if I try to send a message, I won't, because like I don't have any SIM. But yeah, it will just fix your problem if you got SIM on you. And yeah, these are the most popular methods on how you can fix iMessage not sending messages. So yeah, that's basically it, and I hope this video helps you all. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.